Model: 63-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS Startline van body, silver, panel van mileage, 107297 MOT, 13 October 2023 engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on